Hello, everybody. Anton Kraly here, and welcome back to the e-commerce lifestyle podcast. This is our bi-weekly show designed to help e-commerce store owners increase their revenue, automate their operations, and become the authority in their niche. Now, today's episode is all about my Q4 sales strategy. I'm going to be sharing it with you. Specifically, I'm going to cover when we're running our promotions, what the actual dates are, and what events we're running promotions for. I'm going to share who we are promoting them to, meaning who will see our offers. And then I'm also going to share promotion ideas for your own stores. Because when we're coming up with our strategies, what we do is look back historically and see what's worked in the past for us. I truly believe that's the best thing anybody can do. If you have historical data, you should use it. Data is there to use if you're smart. But even if you don't have data, you can still use what I'm doing in this episode because it will give you a huge head start and you'll be ahead of the competition. Also, I should mention this. If for any reason you didn't listen to Monday's episode, I would highly recommend you go back and check it out. That one was called Q4 Starts Now. And in that episode, I outline all of the different assets that we've been putting together internally, things like emails, different ad copy, different graphics, things that you need for a successful Q4. So while in this specific podcast, we're going to go through the actual sales strategy. If you want to know the assets that you need to make this work, again, go back, listen to that episode first. So our first promotion for Q4 of this year will be for Halloween, which is Sunday, October 31st. For this promotion, we're going to be sending out 3 emails to our broadcast list. The emails are going to go out October 29th, which happens to be my birthday, October 30th, and then we'll have 1 email on October 31st. The email sequence here contains 3 unique emails. Now, the next promotion we typically run in November is for Thanksgiving, which this year is Thursday, November 25th. The thing is, though, we've done this different ways on different stores where we've had a Thanksgiving sale, then we've had a different Black Friday sale. And what we found is what works best is a extended Black Friday. So what we're doing this year, Black Friday is Friday, November 26th, is sending out 5 emails for this promotion. It's going to be open up all week long. So email will go out on November 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th. So as you could probably see here, one of those days is Thanksgiving. We will be referencing Thanksgiving in our marketing, but the actual offers, the products, the promotions aren't going to change. It's going to be the same promotion all week long for Black Friday. Now, the next unique promotion we have coming up for Q4 is Cyber Monday, which this year is Monday, November 29th. For this one, we are doing 2 emails, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, both, of course, that Monday. Now, I do want to mention as we go through these that when I'm saying unique promotions, again, I'm not talking about on, let's say, the Halloween example, we offer buy one, get one free on some product. And then on Black Friday, we offer buy one, get one free again. And then on Cyber Monday, we offer buy one, get one free again. Or I offer 15% off, then 15% off, then 15% off. We don't do things like that. We keep unique promotions throughout this cycle to get people more excited to buy and basically to be able to attract people as customers who might have been on our email list for a while or following us on social for a while, but just haven't had a good enough reason to buy yet. We try different offers here to give them different reasons that will all attract different people. Now, our next promotion in Q4 is Christmas, which is Saturday, December 25th. But what you'll notice that we're doing here a little bit different is this promotion is actually happening early in December. So we have emails going out December 6th, December 8th, and December 10th. Now, the reason we're doing this is because we've done it both ways, and the closer you get to when it's actually Christmas, the worse sales are going to perform because people aren't buying as much. They pretty much have spent a lot of their money by then. If they're looking to buy things as gifts, they've already got them, and it's just not a busy shopping day. Obviously, people are hopefully preoccupied with family and friends and having fun. So for this promotion, we are doing it again December 6th, 8th, and 10th. And these promotions are going to be saying, if you order by now, you'll have your products by Christmas. Okay. So that's how to make the most out of a Christmas promo. Now, the final promotion that we're doing in Q4 is for New Year's Eve. This promotion would be obviously Friday, December 31st. And the way we're doing this one is sending 1 email on December 31st, New Year's Eve. We're sending 1 email on January 1st for New Year's Day. And then the Monday, January 3rd, we're sending another email where we're extending this promotion through it to get maximum amount of eyeballs on it. So it sounds like a lot in a short amount of time, right? And it is. And that's why in the last episode, I said Q4 starts now. now. This really has to all be planned and created and put together well in advance. But as you can see here, we actually have 5 unique offers that we're going to be promoting to our audiences throughout Q4. So we have the Halloween offer, the Thanksgiving and Black Friday, again, bundled together, another unique offer for Cyber Monday, another unique offer for Christmas, another offer for New Year's Eve. And for us, this comes out to 16 emails that we already wrote, but that are going out to all of our audiences to get them to purchase these offers from us. Now, I want to show you what else goes into this just briefly, because like I mentioned, we promote these offers to our email list, and that's where the majority of the revenue will come from. The portion of our email list that we promote this to is everybody that's literally in our Klaviyo database, that's who we use for email marketing, that hasn't purchased within the last 30 days. If somebody has purchased in the last 30 days, or if they're in an evergreen email flow from us, they will not be put into these campaigns. Everybody else on the email list goes in, and it's a great opportunity, again, to have multiple ways to attract people to buy from your stores. Now, in addition to that, I mentioned this more in detail in the previous podcast. So again, go back and check that out. But we do sync our ads with our emails, and we're going to be running ads on Google, specifically Google Display Network, and on Google Discovery ads that are targeting our website visitors from the past 180 days. And we'll be doing the same thing on Facebook ads. So basically getting maximum reach here, again, with 5 different offers that span over 3 months when people are most excited to buy. And it's really the best chance to, again, bring them back, give them another reason to purchase. So then the next question is, what do you actually offer to get them to buy? So I'll go through a list of different offer ideas that we have used in the past and that we still use today. And these are things that you can certainly experiment with. Again, if you're going to have 5 offers like we are, you would use one of these, pick whichever one at any time, at a different promotion. So total, you would have 5 of these mixed in throughout your different promotion windows. Now, the first one is the simplest. It is % off each purchase. Probably understand how that works if you already have a store, but you simply offer a flat % off purchases on your site. Another one is to save a fixed amount of money if the customer spends over a certain amount of money. So maybe for every order over $1,000, you save $125, whatever that may be, but that's the concept there. The next offer that can work extremely well, but of course you need to really know your margins, is buy one, get one free. Now, this can work if you have suppliers where you have a long relationship where they have excess inventory of some products, some SKUs, and they're willing to test this with you, where they can give you a discount price wholesale, and you can really push to sell a lot of their products throughout Q4. So again, it would be something like buy one, get one free for one of these promotion windows in Q4. Another one is free expedited shipping. If you typically charge for it, that could be one of your 5 offers. If you typically offer standard shipping free, maybe you can offer free white glove delivery for your Black Friday promo or your Halloween promo or any of them. The point is you want to mix these in. Another one could be a free extended warranty if you're able to do that. It could be you're entered to win a specific prize. So you'll pick one customer that purchases something between start date and end date of a promotion, and then you're going to pick a random winner to win whatever product it is, right? Something that would get people excited. Another one that a lot of people don't use, but it could be very profitable, is allow people to make offers. You can email your whole email list. You can run ads. You could tell them, fill out this form or send us an email, make an offer on any product on our store up until whatever date the promotion ends. We'll let you know if it's accepted or not. And maybe you'll get great offers. And if you do, you accept them. And if you don't, you counter and then try to get them to buy that way. So just really tons of opportunity here. This is really just a few to get started with. Some other easy ones might be to make a product bundle that you don't usually offer. So take a few products that you sell that are related, put them in a bundle, give it a special price, promote that for one of your offers. Maybe another thing would be to include just one free bonus gift with every product purchased over a certain dollar amount. By the way, that one works great in the early December promotion. So I hope you could see there are just tons of different offers you could make. 5 offers should not be hard to come up with. The key is getting 5 offers right, having 5 offers that your audiences are actually interested in, and then of course, getting the promotions nailed down where your emails are great and built for conversions, where people are seeing you on social as well, and where your sales just go drastically up throughout Q4. I will say, if you're a member of Dropship Lifestyle, keep an eye on your email coming on this coming Monday, because I do think we're going to be helping some people literally hands-on with their Q4 promos. So if you're interested, watch your inbox. And if you are listening this or watching this and you're not a member of Dropship Lifestyle yet, be sure to go to dropshipwebinar.com, where you can get a free training from me and a special offer on the blueprint. I will see you there.